All right, folks, here we go. We got one more for you with 300 Blackout. We're at 75 yards. We're doing the sheetrock sandwich. Everybody's got to take a bite. And what we're doing is at 75 yards, we got a 1-inch board, piece of sheetrock, and another 1-inch board. And we're just going to see what kind of crush power it does, what kind of powder it turns that sheetrock into at 75 yards. So y'all stick around and let's see how it goes. Sheetrock sandwich. Everybody's got to take a bite. All right, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We got a nice in and out. We don't look like we have a whole lot of powder going on. You can see there ain't really no crackage going on in the sheetrock. That's our entry. Lovely. I like that that coming out. That is nice. We're definitely coming out. Slowing down. Here we go. And here it is, sitting on the table. Woo, it's a little toasty, just to let you know. And no, it's actually really hot. But it ain't too shabby. It's pretty interesting right there. So it hit the sheetrock sandwich. And then we went through 2 pair of jeans, hit the third pair of jeans, and there it is on the table. That's pretty. We'll take it back and see what we got going on. I'm really digging these Barnes Vor-Tx 300 Blackout bullets. They're nice. Okay. All right, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We have the Barnes 300 Blackout Vor-Tx at 75 yards. What we're doing on this tester, what we did was the sheetrock sandwich. Everyone's got to take a bite. 75 yards. As you can see, we got the entry hole going in. We have a nice crater coming out. I'm not gonna take this apart because this is all chipped off. I'm kind of trying to keep the crater in itself. Roughly 0.92 one direction. See, and then we got the crater going this way. This is a good enough science. 0.107 going the other way. And here's the bullet. You know, that's what it looked like coming out, drilling through. Right there. That's 75 yards. We've got no breakage. Going in. I tell you what, just for y'all, because I like y'all, I guess we will open this puppy up and see what we got going on. I'll just have to vacuum the floor. Oops. Alright, well, interesting, fascinating. Look at that. So we small hole coming in, not too big, hitting the sheetrock, coming out. That is interesting. Not too big of a hole coming in there, so we actually blew out on that one. That is pretty neat. And that is very neat. We have on the 300, we have expansion of 0.49, almost a ½ inch. Very nice. 4.7, staying even. I'm truly impressed with these bullets. I mean, these Barnes, these are definitely doing the deal. Top to bottom, we're looking at 0.61. And I guarantee you, out of what are these, 110 grain bullets, there's going to be 110 grains. There's some denim on it, so it might actually gain some weight. Nope, 108 grains even. And that's a pistolero, if you're wondering what that is. Yes, it's clear for you safety saddlers out there. But there we go. It's just there for decoration. And just to give that little half cock. Oh yeah. That's sexy. There you go. And there you are. So there's the Barnes Vor-Tx 300 Blackout at 75 yards. The Sheetrock sandwich. Everyone's got to take a bite. Ballistic test for all y'all's true scientific needs. Bohemian Hunt Club. Thanks for watching.